We're painting cute little animals, and so far we've done a pufferfish, a hippo, a little chick, a seal, a cow, a walrus, a frog, a bunny, and a pig. Any guesses on what today's is going to be? Wet your watercolors, and then fill your brush with a nice light blue color. Start by making 2 circles that are about 2 circles apart from each other. Then wash your brush and fill it with a nice light gray color, and outline the insides of the circles, trying not to touch them. Make a curve at the top, and then fill that area in. Under the eyes, we're going to make a little swoop out, and we're going to bring it across pretty flat at the bottom. On the top outsides, we're going to make 2 big ears. They're going to come down to even part of the eye. Make a bit of a circle and leave an open space in between, while also adding a little fluff to the outsides of the ears. Wash your brush and fill it with a light pink color, and place that on the inside of those circles where you left the little space. Wash your brush again, and then fill it back with that gray color. Leave a little gap. We're going to make a little body, and then we're going to make 1 stroke that goes out and up a bit. Add a little extra shadow to the space between the body and the head. Then let this dry or make it dry. Once it's dry, we're going to darken our gray color, and we're going to make a really rounded diamond shape in the center. You can also use that color to make the 2 smaller circles within the initial circles. Then I'm going to wash my brush and fill it with a brown color. Where we made that arm sticking out, I'm going to make a bit of a branch. If you want to vary the shape on this branch, go ahead and drop in some additional colors while it's still wet. Again, let it dry or make it dry. Once it's dry, wash off your brush, and I'm going to put in lots of different green colors into the background. I'm going to use multiple colors and make sure it changes throughout so that it looks like a bunch of different types of leaves. One last time, let it dry or make it dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to grab my white gel pen and outline everything. I'm going to make sure on the ears to give it a little extra scruff. If you want a little extra credit, you can add in some leaf shapes with the white pen. So stinking cute. I can't think of any koala puns other than this was a quality time. I'm sure you've got better ones, so put your best koala pun in the comments.